Assalamu alaikum. I hope that all of you will be fine. Today I am present in front of you with a new topic, with a new video known as how we can improve on memory or make our brain powerful. Then I also discuss with you in this video that some tips how we can improve our memory. First of all, what is mind and brain? Basically, brain has all the power function like writing, storing, memory and processing power you need to function as a human being. If your mind is hardware, then if your brain is hardware, then your mind is also software. Basically, it is an operating system that thinks, store, process and manage information. If we discuss related to what is the difference between mind and brain, brain is a visible, tangible part of body. Your mind is an invisible, intangible part of your body, like your thinking, your feeling, attitude, beliefs, and imagination. Then we can say that simply brain is an physical organ who's most connected or associated with mind and consciousness or wisdom. But mind is not confined to the brain. Mind depends on what or how much we use our mind. So this is the so simple introduction of mind and brain and the difference between mind and brain. Now I will discuss with you that some of the tips whose we can improve our memory. The first tip is include physical activity in your daily routine. Physical activity increases blood flow in your whole body, including your brain. This activity helps to keep your mind sharp. According to the Health Department and Human Services, doing brisk walking at least 150 minutes in a week or doing 75 minutes jogging in a week, or if you do not have time due to the burden of work, then doing 10-minute walk throughout the day. This is the first tip to improve or maintain or stable your thinking or brain. The second one, stay mentally active. It means that any activity whose you perform must be mentally active. Suppose if you are doing in or performing driving, your mind must be active, or you are listening or playing or any activity whose you perform, your mind must be activity or your mind must be active. This is the second tip. Then third one known as sleep well. Basically, sleep plays an important role to maintain or stable your mind sharp. Basically, sleep makes your memory stable or consolidate. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours sleep in a day. The fourth one tip known as eat healthy diet. A healthy diet is more important for your brain and heart. Our eat must include on fruits, vegetables and whole grains, fish, beans and skinless poultry are also may be part of our diet for healthy memory or mind. The last one tip known as socialize regularity. Social interaction ward out depression and stress. These two activities or these two factors include contribute or causes of memory loss. Social contribute means we must involve or gathering with friends, families and participate in social activity. Then we can maintain or stable our memory very truly and perfectly. So I hope that you must enjoy my today video. Inshallah we will meet in the next video. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.